Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys see by the title, girl, we have a new wig, and this is the wig that we are gonna be trying out today. And this here was sent to me from Hotbeautyhair.com. They reached out to me on Instagram to do a review for them, and we are here. Okay girl, look at this wig. This is a wig. I like it. I didn't really do anything much to this hair. You guys gonna see in the tutorial how it came in the box, and I just like put my hand through it, and this is what we get. I just cut a little piece in the front because it was too much in my face, and I think I cut maybe a little piece on the side. She's giving me the 80s 90s look. Okay, so this wig is like bouncy type wig. So this is a Hotbeautyhair super double rose color wig. Okay, so this color is a dark chestnut brown fluffy hair wig. Okay, I had to make sure I told you guys what the color of the wig. So this is 100% human hair. The density is 180. This is a lot of hair, girl. No lace. And this cap size is 22.5 inches. It also has elastic band that it comes with it. This is a throw and go wig, easy to maintain, fluffy curly wig. Texture is like a rose curl, fluffy curl. The weight is around 200 grams, natural color. This lasts for up to a year if you really take care of it. It's 100% human hair, so I'm guessing it could take heat. They didn't really mention that here, but I'm just going by it's human hair, so you could take heat. The link and everything will be listed down below if you want to purchase this wig. I love it. You really don't have to do anything, girl. This wig is giving me life. It is really thick. Like when I put it on my hair, I was like, oh my god, this looks so thick. Okay, and I don't want to cut it because, girl, I don't want to mess it up. I know myself. I know I would mess up this hair, so I rather not mess it up and just, you know. But this is really pretty. You could open up the curls more if you want to, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. I like it. You know, I'm trying to open the curls in the front because I feel like it's not open too much. Yeah, so this is it, but the curls are really tight. I love it. You take a look again. And I love this color, and it goes with my shirt, girl. The vibes I'm getting, it's a good vibes, okay? I'm back in the 80s doing my thing, going to parties. You know what I'm saying, girl? Let me know what you guys think about this wig. You guys got to see at the end of the video what the wig looks like straight up from the box. What do you think about it on me? Does it fit my face? Do I need to open the curls a little bit more? So to my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel. To my OGs, thank you guys so much for sticking around. I appreciate you guys. I always have to say that in all videos because we have a goal that we want to reach for the year, 5,000 subscribers. So if you are new on the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also share the video. I also have my other social media links down below if you guys want to follow me on all my social media platforms. So thank you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.